If you want to leverage the power of using spreadsheets but don't know where to start, or have some experience with Excel but feel you might have some gaps in the basics, our Excel Level 1 is the perfect course for you. This Excel Basics course is broken into 5 key areas to make you comfortable with the basics of Excel. Basic navigation and data entry, simple formatting, formula and functions fundamentals, preparing your spreadsheet for printing, and finally, tips on managing large workbooks. Let's take a deeper dive. First, we'll take you through the basics to get you situated. Get comfortable navigating your workbook by understanding the ribbon system, the formula bar, the spreadsheet tabs, and finally, the status bar. You'll also supercharge your efficiency with Excel by learning key tips and tricks with data entry. In this topic, you'll learn cell selection modes, how to resize cells to make the data fit better, how to hide unnecessary data in hidden rows or columns, tips and tricks that will make your life easier with cut, copy, and paste, and finally, how to use the automated fill features to complete your data faster. Have you ever wondered, how did they get that to look so professional? This formatting topic has you covered. Make numbers look the right way with number formatting, put text in the right place with text direction and alignment, add style and professionalism with fonts and borders, save time on formatting with cell styles, and do 10 clicks worth of work with just one with Format Painter. Next, the basics of functions and formulas will be a breeze once you know when to use formulas and functions, how using cell references saves you a headache, what in the world those dollar signs mean in relative and absolute references, and how to save time using AutoSum. We will also discuss the wonderful world of printing in Excel. Unlike Word, just pressing print in Excel and hoping for the best has always been frustrating. It will be less so as you discover how to control what prints where using the page layout ribbon, why turning on the page layout view can save you time, and how the page break preview shows you which page your data will print on. Finally, get some easy to use tips for using large workbooks. Keep your worksheet tabs organized by adding color, renaming, and moving worksheets. Learn to make your table headers scroll with you by using freeze panes.
Hi, I'm Senior Training Manager Joy Newhold. You're only a few clicks away from improving your skills. Register online now for one of our guaranteed to run public classes, or contact us to inquire about our customizable private group classes. Classes can be delivered online at our modern training center in downtown Ottawa or on-site at your location. Our live instructor-led classes are your best way to learn and apply new skills to your job. Visit our website or give us a call today.